Welcome to the greatest Tamil science program. We're going to continue to talk about Sanjeevi, where we left last week. So Sanjeevi is one of the highest wound care drug. There's a subject called wound healing and wound care. There are nearly more than 4 lakh web pages are available today. And unfortunately, we don't have a single tool as a medicine for wound care and wound healing. So first of all, I would like to explain to you what exactly is a wound. When you go for a surgery, they cut your body here and there for a specific part of the surgery, which is called the surgical wound. When we go meet with an accident, we get injured, there are injuries, there are also wounds. Then there are many number of other wounds are also there. We may get boils, which may break, it becomes a wound. So there are incurable wounds are also there. For example, vascularitis ulcer is an incurable wound. Sometimes folliculitis ulcers become incurable wound. Sometimes leprosy wounds becomes incurable wound. Sometimes these STD affected infected wounds will also become incurable wounds. There are many number of incurable wounds. According to the pathological classification in the ancient Tamil literature, there are 42 different types of incurable wounds. Why they become incurable? What is curable wound and what is incurable wound? As far as the wound care and wound healing is concerned, only our human body with the power of soul knows how to heal a wound. For example, if they are, they doing an orthopedic surgery on you in your hand to put some plates and bolts on your broken bone, they cut open your hand by about 4 to 5 inches or 6 inches, which becomes a surgical wound. After the surgery, they keep that cut area together and switch it because they want that to get healed. Theory of pathology says it takes 8 to 9 days for that surgical wound to get healed. Whatever they apply on top of that surgical wound is only certain solutions or ointment and other things, which is for antibacterial and antimicrobial for not infection to set in, so that the pus formation will not happen. They have no medicine for wound care. How the wound gets healed? There is something called migration of cell mechanism. So from the good area next to the surgical wound, now the skin, the top layer is torn, the capillaries are cut, the fat layer is cut, the muscular tissues are cut. So there are many damages for the human cells there because of the surgical cut. So whichever is the cells which are damaged, some of these cells from the neighboring area will separate themselves from the network and come into the wounded area and breed themselves and do the bridging and make the wound to heal. This takes 8 to 9 days. So exactly if you see in a hospital after surgery, on the 9th day or the 10th day, they will visually see the wound which is healed, and then they remove the switches. If suppose this migration of cell mechanism doesn't work, then it becomes an incurable wound. Then you have no medicine. Where is the medicine? No medicine. For any incurable wound or a curable wound, you have no medicine whatsoever in any system of medicine in the world, to my knowledge. Sanjeevi is one. When you apply it on the surgical wound or any other incurable wound or curable wound, it helps your wound to heal very fast. It does nothing. The surgical wound which is not getting cured or whatever, or any other wound which is not getting cured or not getting healed, is because of the failure of the migration of cell mechanism. Sanjeevi will make the mechanism revive there. Hence, the wound get healed. If you apply Sanjeevi on a surgical wound, it disproves the theory of pathology. Within 48 to 72 hours, the healing takes place, plus the cut mark, thickening of the skin on the surgical wound area will not be there. That's the beauty of Sanjeevi, such a powerful drug. The only wound care, wound healing drug in my life I have handled, I have seen, I have experienced in the last 23 years. It is a tremendous medicine which has no equivalent component or a product available in any system of medicine in anywhere in the world till now, till today, till now. I can assure you on that. That is the power of Sanjeevi, which was designed by Lord Agathier. Thank you.